In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Family Link from Google account on your PC. To do that, let's start by opening Google browser and then go to this link. On this page, sign into this account that you want to unlink. Go to Controls tab, then select Account Settings. Click the account info, and you will be redirected to another tab. Beside the member that you want to remove, click on Remove Member. Enter your password to verify that it is really you. Then choose the member that you want to remove. They may give you an option to tell you why you want to remove that member. And then now, click the Remove button, and you're good to go. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.